Hello friends, welcome to Trades Pro. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about differences between smoke testing and sanity testing. So smoke and sanity testing differences is most misunderstood topic in the software testing. There is an enormous amount of literature on the subject, but most of them are confusing. The key differences between smoke testing and sanity testing can be learned with the help of um, next diagrams. To appropriate above diagrams, let's first understand what is software build. If you are developing a simple computer program which consists of only one source code file, you merely need to compile and link this one file to produce an executable file. This process is very simple. Usually, this is not the case. A typical software project consists of hundreds or even thousands of source code files. Creating an executable program from this source file is a complicated and time-consuming task. You need to use build software to create an executable program, and process is called software build. Now, what is a smoke testing? A smoke testing is a software testing technique performed post-software build to verify that the critical functionalities of software are working fine. It is executed before any detailed functional or regression tests are executed. The main purpose of smoke testing is to reject a software application with defects so that QA team does not waste time testing broken software applications. In smoke testing, the test cases choose to cover the most important functionality or component of the system. The objective is not to perform exhaustive testing, but to verify that the critical functionality of the system are working fine. For example, a typical smoke test would be verify that the application launched successfully, check that GUI is responsive, etc. The key difference is smoke testing has a goal to verify stability, whereas sanity testing has a goal to verify rationality. Smoke testing is done by both developer or tester, where sanity testing is done by only tester. Smoke testing verifies the critical functionality of the systems, whereas sanity testing verifies the new functionality like bug fixes. Smoke testing is a subset of acceptance testing, whereas sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. Smoke testing is a documented or a scripted, whereas sanity testing is not. Smoke testing verifies the entire system from end to end, whereas sanity testing verifies only particular component. Now, what is sanity testing? Sanity testing is a kind of software testing performed after receiving a software build with minor changes in a code or functionality to ascertain that the bugs has been fixed or no further issues are introduced due to these changes. The goal is to determine that the proposed functionality works roughly as expected. If sanity test fail, then build is rejected to, to save the time and cost involved in the more rigorous testing. The objective is not to verify truly the new functionality, but to determine that the developer has applied some rationality, sanity while producing the software. For instance, if your scientific calculator gives result of 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, then there is no point testing advanced functionality like sin 30 plus cos 50. Smoke testing was sanity testing. Now we will discuss about key differences. Smoke testing. Smoke testing is performed to ascertain that the critical functionality of the program is working fine. In sanity testing is done to check the new functionality bug has been fixed. Now, in smoke testing, the objective of this testing is to verify the stability of the system in order to proceed with the more rigorous testing. In sanity testing, the objective of the system is to verify the rationality of the system in order to proceed with more rigorous testing. In smoke testing, this testing is performed by developer or testers. Sanity testing in software testing is usually performed by tester. In a smoke testing is usually documented or scripted, but in sanity testing is usually not documented and is unscripted. A smoke testing is a subset of acceptance testing, and sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. A smoke testing exercises the entire system from end to end. Sanity testing exercises only the particular component of the entire system. A smoke testing is like general health checkup. Sanity testing is like a specialized health checkup. Now, point to be noted. Both sanity and smoke testing are used to avoid wasting time and efforts by quickly determining whether an application is too flawed to merit any rigorous testing. Smoke testing is also called tester acceptance testing. Smoke testing performed on a particular build is also known as build verification test. One of the best industry practices to conduct a daily build and smoke testing in software project. Both smoke and sanity tests can be executed manually or using automation tools. When automated tools are used, the tests are often initiated by same process that generate the build itself. As per the need of testing, you may have to execute both sanity and smoke test in the software build. In such cases, you will first execute a smoke test and then go ahead with sanity testing. In industry, test cases for sanity testing are commonly combined with that for a smoke test to speed up test execution. Hence, it's common that terms are often confused and used interchangeably. So in this video, that's it. I will come with the next video. So I would also like to request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.